When you experience worry or anxiety about anything, know that it's from Satan. When you fully trust the Almighty with all your affairs, you will let go of such feelings because you know that at the end of the day, He only wants what's best for you. Don't get tired of doing what's right. No matter what others are saying, you must stay on track and uphold the truth. Keep believing, keep praying, keep expecting. Keep going. The Almighty is in full control. It's easy to pretend you care for a cause, but in actual fact you're too busy with your own life. Talk is cheap. Anyone can talk about promoting awareness, but are you actually doing something? Donating, giving your time? The Almighty knows what our hearts reveal and conceal. Those who want to steal your peace will provoke you till they get the reaction they want. Remember, the best reaction in this case is no reaction. Don't give them the attention they want. Keep your peace. The Almighty has clearly stated that He will not burden us beyond what we can bear. If we're unable to cope with the trials, it's because we have weak faith and we're not fully trusting Him. When this happens, bearing patience becomes difficult. Don't wait to forgive someone till they apologize. You may end up waiting forever. Remember, it's easy to hold a grudge and it's easy to lay blame. But by doing so, you're allowing others to have power over you. For the sake of closure and healing, you should forgive and move on. When you see the Almighty blessing your friends and neighbors, be happy for them. Each time you see someone else being bestowed with His blessings, rejoice for them. Remember, if He has done it for them, He will do it for you. When you see the Almighty blessing your friends and neighbors, be happy for them. Each time you see someone else being bestowed with His blessings, rejoice for them. Remember, if He has done it for them, He will do it for you. We've all been through rough days, a difficult month or a bad year. But these are often blessings in disguise. Remember, everything the Almighty does is good. We only have to wait patiently, hold our head up and press on. Let life take its course. What's past is done and gone forever. You can't go back in time to undo anything. The only thing to do is to go forward, learn from past mistakes and with hindsight, forgive yourself for not knowing better then.